back out to find the trail again. Trail busting. Trying to get back on the trail. That won't work. Can't break through those grapevines. What happens when you're running the trail backwards? Things just look different. And even the camera guy that made the trails has trouble. I missed the trail back there. Turn left. And if you've not been on a trail in a few days, been some weather happening, there'll be stuff down in your trail that you weren't expecting. Sort of getting these turns burned out some. Now this is an old logging road that was just a laurel thicket. Takes a little while to get a path cut through these laurels. but it makes it good and tight. Slow things down. Oh yeah, I know, you AA riders are going to be smoking that shit. Well, that's fine. This is not, it's not for your enjoyment, it's for mine. All about having fun. You're 64 years old. Yeah, ego still plays something into it. Common sense says, whoa, whoa, whoa! What the hell are you doing? You're gonna hurt yourself. And it takes too long to damn recover from shit. Yes, I am running a recluse, but every now and then I'll pull the clutch in, get the revs up. I got a turn right up here that I have to look for. So that's why I'm slowing down quite a bit. It's hard to remember where they all are. But it's starting to get beat in, and you can just follow the trail instead of having to look for ribbons. Eventually these ribbons will just go away on their own. Eventually I'll take those ribbons down to get it beat out real good. Got the trail learned real well. Of course, if you're following somebody on a trail, it's a lot easier to go faster because you're not trying to guess which way the trail goes. This is the newest section of trail that I put in. And you can put it like that right there. We started kind of making an alternate line from what we had been doing. because it just, sometimes you lay out a trail and it messes up the flow. The way you've got it laid out, it looks good on paper, but when you start riding it, God damn, that just messed up my flow there. So you start changing the line around. It's TV time. It's a good section with a few little rocks in it, nothing big, nothing major, but uh-oh, man down. Now this is where if you can carry some momentum up through there, but you got to have good momentum. They can go right by that laurel right there, little lip right there. I was looking at that rock right there. Whoa, man down. Looking like that rock that Jeff's standing in front of, if you hit that one with a little speed, you could clear that little area where his back tire is. And with a little speed, go over that.